College mun pibro section pat te kane kade namta kitu ki pas ya ka written exam jong ka agnivir te ki documents ki bron kam habide kane te ngap ha ki nang bun ki bompat don jing tibe habang ha shpangine te phapan penbiang no igni documents chua ban mi kata tarik ban phen lek ya ka ban lek rally ne ban yo ya ka admit kan te ban phapan biang pa no igni documents ki ta ki documents te katkum kane ikne bro laban yo benak advertisement la dabang don advertisement sa check banak tu required parameter ma kini be hanel ong ba katkum kane kilong ba ki candidate ki bala mi list na ban poi shakarali te kin pen biang ya kini ki documents no shortlisted candidate have to report to the stipulated date and time for phase 2 at designated recruitment rally revenue with following documents certificates in original along with 2 attested photocopies with them. Rangkat kowe original phap xerox artali copy kan ma wa pen biang bhai gini the sequence of phase 2 marka jingmare kala deka phase 2 phase 1 kadeka exam as per Indian Army tawin pe ita admit card nda philayo ek admit card ban lek mare hanel ong ba printed sapet nang neruma printed on laser printer on good quality paper do not shrink amde ban khnya umne ne phap print haga good quality paper ma laser printer da ong kata photograph 20 copies of unattested passport size color photograph color ma kuma umde black color arpho tali gidor on good quality photographic paper and white background kanadin white background and not more than 3 months old amde ban tam ya galai banai tem tanang biang hi ban August September la biang ta ban shondor no arpho tali tama kade color with good quality photographic paper sakama ban ong ka taru amde on photoshop amde ban le ai mo kita artili ngasrela clear admit card print naga good quality color badge photograph arpho tali color badge kita ru good quality education certificate card bafidon mark sheet ki certificate na school of yo de kasten kaspev card bafidon na di kasten phira yo kasten e baro bat ma kasten seneng ma ki ba adon ki ba de kas 8 kas 9 ki ira jong ki bada professional online education gitu ladon ka lapas kasten dan ladon kamshu professional ladon lang atau yu candidate with matric certificate from open schooling NIS kini ki bapa as NIS ma kuma should bring school living certificate with date of birth and name of parent countersigned by BEO DEO sekarang ma kini kibun marwa kidon ki bapa nam taka open schooling NIS te pihak ban should bring school living certificate with date of birth and name of parent countersigned by BEO and DEO pihak balik countersigned kan mo sakali naga sentar ko bapi phile exam api na ei ban yo ban le kita baro kumno ban pha kan countersign mano gine BEO DEO kan ma bai gine list of education board kato nan kamera ta domicile apply ngatrai pla apply domicile dan pada apply no kan simpor RTOA kan mau ladam penon pada apply te ngarong ala ban nyara ban penrap an apply ya bede barka domicile and a permanent resident PRC kemudian PRC rubiang with photograph issue by textile and the district magistrate okay to katul abiang caste certificate ngatrai borok laya don badge still tribe certificate kibakali hang ne pangga religion certificate to be issued by the textile Sikh Hindu Muslim if religion was Sikh is not mentioned in the caste okay marwa kidon ki ba ki mo ka still tribe jungki lana ka still caste jungki certificate kla mention ba ki de niam kata la da hajungi pada still tribe ki mention ra takmut ba ya kaneru phaban kali napo DC office mo textile SDM tadi magistrate te philaban kali ben napo DC office kumno banyo ya kaneka religion certificate tane dono ba dodging tip yon a kumno ban yo ko ya kaneka yunam taka religion certificate shnahi ne kumno te sa ya thulang comment and then don kam ban sanya SDM magistrate ma te police character certificate phablik pan ya kanera kuma not more than 6 months tela long manta ban lek pan ya kanema police character certificate issue within last 6 months te phaban lek police station piong aron kam na ya kanena namta ka agnivir rally agnivir mangan lek mare te aron kam ya kanena government police character te sa IFE then school character certificate issued by the school college principal headmaster where the candidate last studied iba phablik pan na school kaneru ka school ko ba fees pule last ba pila the pass phapan ya kaneka school character certificate then character certificate with photograph issue by village sarpan kanete phapchna hi pan narong ba shnong kanemo character certificate ba tamta ki anang ithrai ban thoi eta character certificate tang ba bu ya kadur jong phi hakatu ga yu bada te sa sanyu sarpanch tak ada orang bak senong hi te ka karakter certificate yo orang bak senong sapa ya katu. Dan on merit certificate organized with photograph issue by village sarpan kane ro kaju nam tabaro ki candidate te kane ro kaju phio na orang bak senong hi phila ban sna hi kumno kumno ma kan de ha kata kadur ba une kurteng tam ta o de o empat ya tho tem tam ta ten tang ba habu ber kadur jong phi mo om de ban tang kartang bu ber kadur ke jong phi ha katu phi pes kadur jong phi ro hasanyo orang bak senong within last 6 months ma om de re wal aslam. Dan relationship certificate non kamera NCC certificate ki badon phap somit ikatu kayu bonus point gitu belada pandap bonus point. Sport certificate tang ki ba kini tidak ada mention lupa tang ki ba national ayu kini ba okay te kan ka sport certificate la ongne represented India at international level pila ban somit na sportsmen who have represented district at state level ki ba represented ka state level pila ban somit te kat bakidon syura ba yang tu la accept. Okay, don baklish pang affidavit. Te affidavit don kam nam tak agnivir. Duly signed by candidate on 10 non-regional stamp mo. Te hakane tengah try publicly ki lawyer hi besai le yakane. Te kadai hakatu ka dur juga tu court custom ko badai ship holding kamo non-regional stamp. Paper as per specimen. Tengen sepet yakane ka format kila dapat format ru. Tengen sepet shua ban kut kene video on batai shua kene kiwe. Tedan kam ya PAN card Aadhaar card ro. PAN card Aadhaar card are mandatory document for final enrollment for purpose of pay and allowance and other social benefit scheme. Te okay lada Aadhaar card lada 4 yo te PAN card pinang apply no PAN card ro. Pin sayo hi ya ka PAN card ro. Te senang le no ya ta lada 4 don PAN card kamtam PAN card Aadhaar te labun badon hi te senang apply no pada. Katur kam daslem re kan yo hi kam ta hi thrai artayo le dunal ne tam kata hi laklan dan okay kan dem da don kamre ngi sining don kamre tu ta te katu tem tangan page saya ka katuka na kam ta ka affidavit mo kumno format ka don tenga thrai ki ba bansina ka affidavit ti aktif hi kumno bansina te lada pila lek pan pa ong ban le stamp affidavit nam ta ban lek nam ta ka rally agnivir tenga tribun kila aktif da dam tip ki ong ba la ban yo na ka advertisement jong ka agnivir mo tehne to enrollment of agnivir on the agnipat scheme kanne ka demo non digital stamp ko shpo pya bu ka dor jong pi passport size I name kumta karteng jong pi kumta nam ta as agnivir belong to the following caste religion tu anak kila pandap baik itu kanne ka ditang ka nuksa ma okay ai. My residential, permanent address, postal address, have I from to my place of residence last 5 years. Pendap kita detail bro. I am on married. I hereby certify. Tu pendap gini. Consent certificate, signature of father, legal guardian. Turun kamu ya signature yang pal nekmil negi guardian yang kamu sanyang ne. I am aware kita tatar pendap ya certificate issue, certificate date of issue. Dekine bro kita aktif hingat hai. Dan kamu yang berbatai. Halas sekadon kami ka signature jong candidate mah signature of candidate but signature of notary upapan le epi kene ka affidavit tenga tharai tangkine hi pla shai ba dokumen habare ba jong agnivir la dampar penbiang ikini dokumen ka batai epi mata long ready no nomor September la de Jumare September te kini dokumen ki don ki ba within 6 months te nang biang mam ta ban penbiang lot ki dokumen ki jong pi baro te tangkane nga tharai pla shai ba te kulesh gune nam ta kini ibaro